Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix pixelated images on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Shopify, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, when Shopify images appear pixelated, it can detract from the overall professional look of your online store. And of course, it affects customer experience. For example, you are adding a product here and you wanted to put some images inside the product that you are going to create. Now, using images with low resolution or low DPI or pixel dimensions can cause them to appear pixelated, right? Especially when viewed on larger screens or zoom in. Now, for example, if the picture is viewed on your mobile device or tablet, it can be okay. But the thing is, if you're using your web or browser or your desktop computer, I suggest you replace the low resolution images with higher quality versions. Now, ensure images have sufficient resolution, at least 72 dpi for web, ideally or higher, to maintain clarity across different devices. Now, when you go to this specific website, Gem Pages Help Center, wherein it is giving you a sort of a guideline on how to properly upload images here. As you can see, there's a guideline that says like 3 megabytes if you wanted. Now, when you go to the Shopify itself, you would also know that there's a limit on how to upload properly so that the images is not pixelated. You can also ask the question here on the one of the virtual assistant if you get an answer. Now, the next thing, as you can see here, the next thing that you can do is you want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because it could be a reason why the Shopify images are being shown as pixelated. Now, if you have a stable internet connection and you think it's not the case, well, you can simply use a platform called Pixelated, wherein you can upscale your image for free. All right, it will optimize your pictures to increase the resolution. So as you can see, you have 2 by twice or 4 times the resolution. All I'm gonna do is upload the image or drag a file here, which I am going to do right now. But the thing is, it has an upgraded version to Pixelated Pro, but we're not going to deal with that for now. Let's skip it. And just sign in so that you can have an upgraded version of the image. After that, try to re-upload that to your Shopify account. As you can see, the image has been upscaled. And again, the Pixelated can upscale to 200 images at once. If you want to try, that's going to be for the Pro version. And once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is download and upload it to your Shopify. And once you're happy with it, all I have to do is click on save, and that would potentially fix the images pixelated here on Shopify. Now, the thing is, if you're still getting problems uploading your images pixelated here on Shopify account, you might want to go here instead. All you have to do now is contact the Shopify Help Center. I need you to log in to continue, and from there you need to get a hold of one of the support staff and tell them you are having problems uploading your images. It appears pixelated, but you think that your images are quality enough, but it is showing pixelated. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.